Ah, paperwork. Don't we all love that?
Yeah, it's all necessary.
It is important. As landscape contractors, our work falls under the category of home improvement. So there's a few things you need to know about home improvement contracts.
Yes, the home improvement contract is required by any contractor that does work that's over $500 and it's not maintenance, and it has a lot of key provisions that are required.
So of those things that need to be included in that contract are the name and address of both the party installing and the homeowner, the amount that has been agreed upon and the terms of that payment, and also you want to note something about what do you have to do 3 days?
Well, everybody has a right to cancel this contract within 3 days of signing, so that's important consideration. So.
And also in that contract should be a description of the work that is to be performed and the materials that will be used to create that job.
As well as any warranties.
Absolutely.
Okay. The other real key provision that people have to understand is if there's a deposit taken, that money of a deposit is required to go into an escrow account, not just cashed and used.
Right.
And it can be taken out of that account to be used to buy materials and labor for the job at hand only.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So a few other things that may be in that contract include that you'll be marking utilities, that if there's a pesticide that's going to be sprayed, you'll have to note that, and also that your business has insurance. So if you're thinking about a project that may be a capital improvement on your home, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.